Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this palette right here. It's not really a review or a first impressions because I have used this palette for the last few days and I have a few thoughts, but it's not like a dedicated review to this palette because this palette has been out for a while. But I did create this beautiful look with this palette today. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe down below, and let's get started. Alright, so a little bit about this palette. It retails for $42. It is by Pur Cosmetics. This is the packaging, really simple and pretty. I personally like the packaging. I love that it's black. It comes with a huge mirror, and then this is the palette right here. It is a little more cool tone, so if you like a cool toned palette, then you might like this one. So the collaboration on this palette is with Etienne. I think that's how you say his name. I'm not positive. But he is a celebrity hair and makeup artist, so he knows all about makeup, he knows all his stuff, and I think all in all the palette is very well put together. It has some really unique cool colors in there. So this is him right here, and just gives you a lot of info on him. And he says makeup is self-expression, no rules, which I think is really cool. He has A-list clients too, like he does the Kardashians, he does Christina Aguilera, Nicki Minaj, just to name a few. So he's done quite a few. He's worked for Vogue, Allure, Glamour magazine, like he's done it all pretty much. He's very well known in Los Angeles. So you have 18 shades right here in this palette, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 shimmers and then 8 mattes. And I will go ahead and include some swatches right here. So the first row swatches are Stripped, Legend, Popular, Penny, Money, and Muddy. Then the second row of swatches are Dreamer, 1988, Adobe, Bossy, Faux, and 3 AM. And then the last and final row is Xenon, Lola, Paradise, Billionaire, Midnight, and Galaxy. So really fun, cool, unique, cool toned shades. You don't see a lot of cool toned shadows in my opinion. I don't know, I always see warm toned shadows, so it's very unique to see like a very cool toned palette with just like what, 2, 3 warmer shades, so it's very cool. I like it. Now this was sent to me. It wasn't for PR, but they do have a thing on their website that's called influencer marketing, and you don't have to be a huge creator. Obviously, I don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet, and I only have like 280 followers on Instagram, so you can totally be a person that doesn't really do social media. You have to do some sort of social media, but you don't have to be a huge influencer to where you receive like PR and stuff. It's kind of like influencer. Under their affiliate tab on their website, it's called influencer marketing. I'm just letting y'all know because it's a really cool opportunity to receive some like free makeup and feel like you're getting PR. Basically what it is you have to have some sort of social media, and then whether it's YouTube or Instagram, and then you can apply to do the influencer marketing. If you get accepted, then you get accepted, and then when they're looking to send out free products, sometimes they're new, sometimes the products has already been out and they're looking for reviews by normal people, so they will send you an email with a questionnaire and you fill out like 5 to 10 questions, I believe it is. And then if your answers are the type of answers that they are looking for, you will automatically get an email saying you will be receiving whatever the product is, and then you get it within the next week, and then you have to review the product within 2 weeks or a specific date that they give you in the email, and they tell you what they want you to do, what pictures to take. If you're going to do it on Instagram, if you could do it on YouTube, you could do either or. So they give you a whole breakdown. It's very simple, very easy, and I think it's just like a cool opportunity. So I wanted to let y'all know. That's how I got this palette. Long story, but I figured y'all would like to know just in case you would want to try it out. So anyway, this is the look that I created. It's very simple. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so for this look, it's very simple. I only use 4 colors, and actually I was going to do a completely different look, but then I started with the outer corner first, and then I knew that I wanted to use the gold in this palette, and when I put them together it looked so pretty. I didn't want to ruin it, so this is the look today, and I think it turned out really pretty because it's super simple to recreate. So like I said, I started off with the outer corner first. I'm going to take this dark brown shade called Muddy, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I'm not going to lie, this color is hard to blend for some reason. I guess because it's just like a really dark chocolate smoky brown. It's not the easiest dark brown to work with, but it is very possible. You just really have to take your time with it. So I'm just going to dip in once or twice, and I'm going to pat it on the outer corner and then blend it out with a fluffy brush. Alright, so there is Muddy on the outer corner. As you can see, I did do it at an angle. I really like the way I did this eye at an angle. I think it gives my eye a little more definition. That is why I did it at an angle. Now I'm just going to take Dreamer, which is right here, this really pretty gold, and I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Alright, now I'm going to take a really light fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend these together. Alright, I'm going to take that same really light fluffy brush and go into this really cool tone brown called 1988, and I'm going to take just the smallest amount of that and put it right in the crease, just to bring a little more roundness to the eye, and I think it really completes the look. It makes it look really pretty. Now I'm just going to take Dreamer again and just amp it up just a little bit, and just amp it back up a little bit because a little bit did get blended away. Alright, I'm going to take a really small, short, flat brush, go into Muddy, and I'm going to put that on the lower outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take a flat pencil liner brush, go into Dreamer, which is the same color as the lid, and just put it on the lower lash line. Alright, we're going to take another pencil brush. This is a flat angled one. We're going to go into this black color called Galaxy. I'm just going to line my top lash line. Okay, and to match that cool tone brown, I think I'm going to take this color right here called Xenon. Xenon of the 21st Century. Does anybody remember that movie? I love that movie. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that color. It's a very weird color. I don't know how to describe this color, but it's a very cool tone, and I'm just going to put that a little bit in the inner corner. It's kind of like a silver champagne color. Alright, now I'm just going to use the Unleashed mascara by Wander Beauty. I've really been loving this mascara. I think it's really nice. On the top and bottom lashes. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. I really like this. I think it's really pretty. I think it's perfect for any time of year. I think this is also really pretty for events or like a business party or something like that. I think it looks really pretty. It will complement anybody. And the good thing about this look is that you don't have to have this palette to create this look. So it's super simple, super versatile, and all in all, I think the palette is good. I have good thoughts about it. The final review is, I don't know if it's worth $42, but all in all, it is a good palette. There are a few colors that are a little hard to work with, like these dark browns, and I'm sure this black, they're a little hard to work with, a little hard to blend. You really have to blend them out and take your time, but it's not impossible. It's not extremely hard or difficult or aggravating. It just takes a little bit more time. I haven't used all these shimmers, but I have used this beautiful blue one. It's called Midnight, and I will say that it doesn't look shimmery on the lid, and it's one of the last colors that you have to use, because if you do a lot of blending when this color is already on your lid, it's going to kind of blend away and fall out. So you definitely have to use your finger with this. I recommend probably using it wet, but when it's on the lid, it looks really, really pretty. You just have to be careful not to blend it away and use it as one of your last final colors. But there are some really fun, unique colors in here. All in all, the palette is really pretty. I like it. I would say it's more geared towards cool tones. So if you like cool tone palettes, this might be a good palette for you. But you can create some really pretty fun looks. I recommend the palette if you're looking for a good cool tone palette, but wait till you get like a coupon, or wait till there's like 20% off, because Pure Cosmetics is always having like 20% off or 10% off. So I recommend waiting until you get like a coupon or like percentage off to get this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little mini review of this palette. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!